Riverside Autoplex is Oklahoma's low-price leader, proud to offer the best deals on new Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Ford, and Honda.
Imagine driving this cardinal red metallic 2010 Chevrolet Equinox SUV LT, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 32 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like automatic climate control, passenger front airbag, driver side airbag, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fuel data display, heated outside mirrors, illuminated vanity mirror, power driver's seat, lumbar seats, compact disc player, auxiliary audio input, heated outside mirrors, anti-lock braking system, fold-down rear seat, auto headlamp on-off delay, satellite radio, OnStar communication system, tire pressure monitoring system, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. See us at Riverside Autoplex of Muskogee today.